You know why the German war will live on forever in our minds. It was all put on film. All the German units had film cameras. That's part of the standard issue. Every single one of them. Wasn't like that. And the American army didn't carry film cameras, not necessarily, but all the German units did carry film cameras. They knew the value of film. They knew the value of propaganda. They knew the value of playing to the crowd. They knew the value of historical accuracy. They knew the value of emotional appeal. So the reason this German war goes on with such a fascination is the First War really caught on moving pictures. Now the Civil War was the first war caught on photography, still photography. And that too will live on in our minds forever because of that. We keep going back. They have books of it dedicated to students on this high definition color images of the body of the field, even the Civil War. You see. And so the World War II was we got moving pictures of that. You can colorize film so you make it play to the German ranks late in the war, color film. Okay, now this is quite hard to see when you see the German air market in action in color film. Oh, that's quite remarkable. This is something quite sweet. But see, huh? Oh, hold on, I got another call from Yvonne today. We were going to have another race war. It's going to be caught on film too, right? Huh? Race Ryan? That's odd how that works. It's all caught on film now, especially now. Uh, Even more. Because everybody got cameras now. Right? Every single person in the whole world has cameras now. So maybe, like what it was. Even I got two of them now. One with my left hand and one with my right hand. And one with my tail. I'm going to get one later, right? Huh?